episode, I have got with me the Philips study lamp, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review this unit. The price quoted in the box is 2000 Indian rupees, but on Amazon.in you can get offers and avail discounts. Opening up the box, we get this lamp in black color. It is also available in white color, but I did order it in black one. This LED study lamp offers 4.5 watt of power. The neck is foldable to all degrees, as you can see in the user manual it is given. Some information is also mentioned at the bottom. This is the power cord. Peeling of the plastic. This is how it actually looks. The finishing of this desk lamp is quite good. It is quite sturdy. This rod is made up of metal and it is flexible. It has got flexible neck. This is the power on off button for turning off on light purpose. Now let me show you the sample. This is in normal conditions, and this is how when you turn on the light. This is the 4.5 watt LED glowing, as you can see. It's sufficient for reading. This is in complete dark. I have turned off the light. I have turned off all the lights in my room. Now turning lights on and off from the study lamp. This is completely dark, and this is when you turn on the light at night. All the alphabets of this newspaper is easily visible. Earlier I used this Philips breeze lamp. It is worth 1500 Indian rupees. This has got different type of build. It is made up of plastic material. It offers 5.5 watt of LED. I found this new Philips desk lamp better than this Philips breeze. This one is much better because of this portion given over here. Because of this glass or plastic or fiber material, you can't notice any kind of glare. It is not provided in that earlier design which is there in the new one, due to which you can't see any kind of glare when you are studying. Thanks for watching this video. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, stay subscribed. Also like, share and comment down below. Thanks for watching. This is Swastik signing off. Have a great day ahead. Goodbye.